Ah, ya me cago, ma, ya me cago. Go back, dude. Jokes. No, no te creas.
Oh my God, ¿es en serio? Puedes hacer ahí un ladito.
¿Dónde vamos?
Vamos a ir a mirar los carros.
For who?
For my.
For my.
For me. For me.
What's going on, guys? We can go look at cars for my mom. Well, she's buying it. We're not buying it. Maybe in the future, right? When we're rich. Surprise my mom. That's always a dream, right? For probably for a kid. Surprise my mom with a brand new car. Heck no, she can barely bend her knees.
Okay, story. I used to, before I was a mom, I used to drive a Mustang, convertible Mustang. So when I just got it, it was like a big deal. Ooh, early 20s. So my mom had to borrow the Mustang one day. Tell me why I get a ticket in the mail that she ran a red light.
She didn't tell you?
No.
Pero
So
llegó
she
un
was
ticket
like
con my picture.
speeding.
¿Y no le
in the
dijiste?
Mustang.
You didn't tell her, mom?
No, hasta que llegó ya me dio miedo.
I was
Y fue a la
like,
escuela.
that's wrong. She's just speeding in the Mustang without telling anyone.
Quick story about when my mom drove my car. When my mom drove my car, she brought it back with a big dash on the side, huge.
I remember.
And she's like, oh, here's $200. Like, really? $200 was not enough to fix it, but I'm like, it's material things, you know, like whatever, man. But every time, man, she drives a car.
Speaking, now that I'm like, there's more to that story. So I'm like, man, I guess whatever. I'll just take the blame and I'll just say it was me. I paid a couple $100 for the ticket, but then on top of that, because it was a red light ticket, I had to take a 6-hour class.
That's the worst.
So mad.
Dude, I hate it. Why can't you just pay the ticket and that's it?
I know.
It's so annoying. Yeah. Anyways, guys, we're gonna go look at cars. Just look. Like, first rule of buying a car in a dealership is like, don't buy it the first time you go there. Walk away. They're gonna call you back for a better price. And we're just gonna look, man. So let's see what's up. You excited, Mom?
No.
Ahora a lo mejor va a ser tu perro. Just waiting. Eating some patita.
What if he like chokes? Okay.
What is it?
They're little like baby treats.
Taste test. You tasted it?
Yeah, it's blueberry. It's like pods, so it melts in their mouth.
Dude, they're bomb. Good. Let me get some more.
Yeah.
Gonna eat some bomb Panera. Mini break from the dealership. Came to Panera. Hello, guys.
Hi.
We're trying the grilled cheese with the, what is this called? Cheese and broccoli?
Yeah.
Cheese
Broccoli, cheddar.
Oh, broccoli cheddar food. No, broccoli cheddar soup, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try this frozen mocha drink. Tu pura sopa? Nice. You?
With the Southwest
A little Southwest salad. What about you?
avocado.
Did you order that from her?
No,
Oh, no.
it's in from the salad.
Has he had it?
Yeah.
First time trying avocado.
¿Quieres luz?
7 hours later.
No, pon luz.
¿Para qué?
La luz es.
Oh.
¿No?
Ah.
Nomás los cuartos, ahí está. Ya.
Happy?
No, what pagar. Muchas gracias, muy amable.
Congratulations.
Gracias.
Thank you, man. Nice to meet you.
Ah, thank you.
So, ¿van a ir aquí?
Ah, sí, you want to take the Jeep?
Ay,
Como
¿tú te
quieran.
llevas el Jeep?
I don't care.
Ah, ok. Thank you so much, mijo. Te debo una comida. En los taquitos. Te salga barato.
Thank you.
Las llaves del Jeep, ¿no? Porque no sé.
Wow, Mom, you got a car.
Oh my goodness.
Wow, how do you feel?
I'm nervous porque tengo que pagar.
I know, man.
Yeah.
But you got a good deal, I think.
Oh yeah.
I think she got a good deal, man. Me and my sister did some research, you know, went on YouTube, how to negotiate with dealers, and you know, I think we did our thing. First time driving. There goes my sister on her Jeep.
We're here on a Sunday afternoon and my mama just got a brand new car. Well, new for her. She's only the second owner. And her baby boy is just hooking her up with a nice detailed wash. Look at that. Look at that. He's just really going to town. Oh, wow. I'm weak.
Okay.
Look at that. Oh. Wow.
Can you tell the difference?
Yes.
Tire
A
shine?
lot, yeah. And I hope one day that Ian does that for my car. Are you going to do that for my car? Yeah? He's learning.
Ian, look.
Look, just like that, Ian. Just like your uncle. Wax on, wax off. I'm just kidding. That's tight. Yeah, she got a Tucson. I really like it. You know, funny story is my mom's first car when I was like, I think preschool and Eloy was like 3 years old. I vaguely remember, but I do remember it was like, we called it El Carrito Azul because it was literally like the smallest little car. I think it was like a Ford or a Chevy. It was kind of like a Geo Metro, but it was one of those little cars. But that was her first car, and then like for her to have this like big old carrote azul, it's just like really awesome. It just made me think of the memories. My uncle taught her how to drive, so me and Eloy would just be in the back seat, and she would be stalling. Fun times, fun memories. Do you remember Eloy when she learned how to drive?
Yeah.
In the small little carro?
Ya, bye bye a tu carro, ma.
Sí.
Adiós a tu carro. Bye. Tu última vez.
Sácale
Es
foto
la
así.
última vez.
Así de la
Es
vida.
la última
Oh
vez.
my God.
What is it?
Es la última vez.
Oh, la última vez.
Ay, mamá.
¿Vas a extrañar?
Sí, cómo no.
Really?
Sí.
Pero tu nuevo carro.
¿Te puedo doblar?
First time driving the car. What do you think?
It's smooth drive.
Yeah.
I like
¿Cuánto
it, yeah.
cuesta solo?
Speak louder than them. They're so loud.
I can even drive this like cross country. Like a long, maybe not cross country, but a long drive. You could tell it'll be a comfortable, you know, traveling car.
Nice. Okay, Mom.
Huh?
What do you think about your car? Last words.
¿Qué?
What do you think about your car? Last words.
Calm down. No entiendo.
Oh my God.
¿Qué piensa de su carro?
Tus últimas palabras, tu carro.
Pues no entiendo porque lo voy a pagar a la chingada.
Oh, there you go. Last words. Peace out, guys. Brand new car from my mama.